You want to get more out of your HVAC system this summer? Well, you've came to the right place because I want to tell you about the iWave-R. iWave mounts in your air conditioning system, and what it does is it creates ions in your airstream that clumps the particles together. These poles right here will actually generate ions, and the little rectangular bar that you see will automatically rotate to clean those pieces. As you can see, I've had mine for almost 5 years. It really helps to put those ions in the air because it clumps the stuff together where your filter can catch it.